Hey, what's up, folks? Mike here from Nutter Gold. I want to take a second real quick to show you this Twitter thread. As you can see here, this guy, this actor, don't remember what his name is on recording this, but you'll see it on the screen. Women like him. Women love him. You know, they think he's an amazing actor, amazing looking guy, good looking guy. But he posted, or an article was posted with pictures of him and his fingernails. And as you can see, his fingernails are quite dirty. And in the comments, in these threads, you can see a lot of women were turned off by this. So what I'm going to do is take a second. You and I are going to sit down. I'm going to show you how to clean your fingernails properly, because as guys, we like to put our fingers in places we've never seen, and we got to make sure they're clean. Okay? So let's make this happen, and we're going to go over this, you know, how to clean your nails, how to cut your nails. Super simple, super chill. That way you always get the meal. That was funny. All right, but yeah, let's get into that. All right, shall we? Let's do. This is white, so I'm going to transition into something white. Watch. Okay, so these are my fingers. Let's do a quick zoom in. Right, fingernails are dirty. I've left them dirty. I was playing around trying to get them dirty, and this is about as dirty as I can get. So I'm going to show you real quick how to clean these things. All right, gents, let's make this happen. And ladies, if you're watching this, please share this with your guy, because we all know this will benefit you very well. First thing you're gonna need is this. Just a pair of clippers, or fingernail clippers. These are from Revlon. I purchased these in 2011, and today it is, or this year is 2020. So as you can see, they've been used heavily. All right. There's a little bit of dirt inside of there. There's a little bit of rust inside of there. These things are not the prettiest, but they get the job done. Gentlemen, I recommend if you're going to purchase a pair of clippers, do not get the ones from the dollar store. They're cheap. They do not last long, and they actually hurt a little bit when you start cutting, okay? So we'll start out with this here. The next thing you're going to need is a emery board thing. This is a $1.99 from beauty supply store. Literally all it is just a little bit of sandpaper, soft sandpaper. All right, this is what we're going to use. This is just a foam side, but this is what we're going to use to buff the nail to get it nice and, you know, you don't want any sharp edges, because, you know, those sharp edges can harm, you know, what you're touching, if you get my drift. All right, and then the next thing you're going to need is going to be, this is a polisher thing. You just polish the nail. So what I was trying to find was it's like a set that I had, or a person I know had, and it was like 4-sided, and it had 4 different sides, so it was like the polish and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, they didn't have that. So I bought this. Again, this was like $1.99 as well, $1.39, something like that. So this is all you need. So let's just get this started. All right, gents. So we're gonna start here first. All right, we're gonna cut the nails. Okay, let me get in close for y'all so you can see what you want to do when you cut these nails. Is you don't want to overdo it, right? You don't want to overdo it, but you want to go right. See where that is right there? So it's not like too deep. You just want to bam, straight like that. You want the nail to look just like that. And then you hit it with the bam, bam, bam. So I like to cut mine first before I clean them out. And to me, it's just simpler that way, because I don't need to, you know, dig through my nail. So then what you want to do, right? And again, like I told you, these things have been through the ringer, but I've had them for a while. You always should have like a little file or thing like this, right? So if you want to use this file, you're more than welcome to. I don't really use it that often, but if you take this and you get underneath the nail, right? You get deep underneath the nail. Just like that. Get the dirt out. Now, of course, you want to wash as well. When you have longer nails and you're washing, you want to make sure, like as you're washing, let's say it's the soap, I try and dig my nail into the soap, right? So I get soap underneath my nail. But that doesn't always get things as clean as possible, because then you just have soap build up with dirt on top of it. So you want to do something like this where you're cleaning them. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. You want to make sure while you're doing this, you know, as much pop. Now if you want to use this side, you're more than welcome to. And this is just to get rid of any of the rough parts. But I like to use a little block. Use the block. circle motion if you want to get fancy. Nothing crazy now, it's nice and smooth. You know, you still have a little bit of nail there, but that's fine for me. I don't care. And then you take this thing, you're supposed to buff it. Boom, right? Much better, much cleaner nail. So let's go through, hit the rest of these guys. All right, so this one's super disgusting. All right, this one's super dirty. So let's say I want to do this one, and I want to keep the nail on here for whatever purpose. I want to keep the nail, but I just want to clean it. I'm going to take the thing, you know, the little emery board part right here. I'm going to take this part, get up in there, just up all up in there. Look at all that dirt, look at that. It's gross, right? Now imagine if that dirt was inside of somebody. Disgusting. Now, another thing, depending on what you eat, your nails will start to discolor. So my nails are yellow because I was eating popcorn earlier. I was eating a bag of popcorn and my nails look all yellowy. That's gross. So you want to make sure, like I said, you want to wash your fingers, take care of your hands, because you never know who's going to have to deal with your mess. You want to be careful, of course, while you're cutting your nails to don't hit anybody in the face. They can be sharp, deadly, dangerous. It really cause you a lot of a lawsuit, you know. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can hear that tinging, but they're smacking this metal ball I have. All right, so these are nails. You all know what nails look like. So this isn't like a shocker to anybody here. Like, oh my gosh, he has nails. But again, I'll go back to this little foam thing here. We'll do that rubber dub. Now, fellas, if you know you really need some help with this actual lady, I'm sure she wouldn't have a problem cleaning your nails. But she knows it benefits her just as much as it benefits you. It actually benefits her, but it benefits you more than it benefits her, because then you get more of what you want. But whatever, you guys get what I'm doing with this. You can also go to the nail salon if you want. I got like a pedicure one time, and felt fantastic. Felt fantastic. So they feel nice and smooth. You know, they look a little bit better compared to my other hand. So this is like a before right here, and this is after. And they're still dirty, honestly. I just told you, gotta wash them and stuff like that. But I think these fingers right here would get me into more places than these fingers would, honestly. So yeah, I gotta finish up this whole shebang bang. But with that being said, I thank you all for watching. I hope you gentlemen take a moment to invest in your personal hygiene, because your personal hygiene is also your friend's personal hygiene, okay? So, super simple. This is maybe, I don't know, $5, $10 investment, and this investment can get you a lot of things in the future, all right? So, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. It's been my pleasure talking to you all, and I hope you all, giggity. See ya.